Beautiful 1985 Pontiac Grand Prix limited edition. It's finished in black with burgundy interior. It's a two-owner car with 88,000 miles. Runs and drives great. Always garaged. Beautiful shape. Man, I don't think I've ever seen one this clean. Sitting on a set of Monte Carlo wheels.
I have the original hubcaps.
He's got the original hubcaps too. Man, clean, huh? Wow. Limited edition. He's got the 305 under the hood. These cars also came with a 6. Vinyl roof. Great shape. It's a great car for the money. Super clean interior. Power windows, power locks. Man, even this piece here usually breaks off. Great shape. Hey Bill, you have the key?
Put the seat back.
Man, beautiful.
This way one. You know that.
Beautiful. 88,507 miles. Man. So he bought this from a guy and it was stored for 20 something years. Man, beautiful. Even the headliner. Normally they sag out. So cool. There it is. Super clean. Nikola motor, power locks, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. Man, what a nice car. It's got a vinyl stripe on it too, that's removable. Kind of looks nice against the burgundy though. Wow, incredible. It's got the original owner's manuals. Cool. Wow, look at this too. It's like some other cool stuff. Original bag that it came in. Pretty neat. That's for the radio. Oh my god, and Journey. That's so cool. Very cool. Rock Journey. Brings you right back to 1985. So cool. You have Goodrich Radial TAs. Super nice. Would have thought this would be a collectible.